In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage views in Airtable. Whether you're a seasoned Airtable user or just getting started, understanding how to create and manage views is key to organizing your data effectively. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Airtable website. Open your preferred browser, and in the address bar, type in www.airtable.com. Once you're there, if you already have an account, go ahead and click on Sign In located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by following the registration prompts, but for the purpose of today's guide, we'll assume everyone is signed up. After clicking Sign In, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Airtable account. Once that's done, click on Continue to complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Airtable dashboard where all your bases are organized. From the dashboard, head over to one of your bases. For this tutorial, we're using the example project. Click on that to open it. Once inside your base, you'll see you have multiple options to manage your data. Here, we're going to focus on views. Views are incredibly useful because they allow you to see your data from different perspectives without changing the actual data itself. Now, let's say you want to switch to a different view. Look over to your left-hand panel where views are listed. Click on your preferred view from the available list. This can help tailor the data displayed according to the context you need, whether that's a grid view, calendar, gallery, or something else. If you're feeling creative and want to tailor a new view from scratch, look for the Create New View option, generally located around the same panel where existing views are listed. Click on it to start creating your own custom view setup tailored to your specific data needs. Views can also include details like date fields and new fields to better organize and categorize information. To add these specific fields, first click on your preferred view, then navigate towards adding new fields. You'll find the option to create a new date field. Click on this to begin customizing further. Once you are satisfied with the setup, remember to click on Done to save your changes. Finally, you might want to switch the data display mode to something like Gallery View for a more visual representation of your records. Again, find the Gallery option and click on it. It's quite intuitive and a straightforward process. That's pretty much it for managing views in Airtable. You've seen how to navigate, switch, and customize views to make sure your data is presented exactly how you need it. Thanks for tuning in and happy working with your Airtable projects.